Guys, my name is Mindy, the pharmacist at WholesomeCo Pharmacy. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use an edible safely. An edible is a dosage form that will take about 2 hours for you to feel an effect, and then once you've taken it, it lasts a good 6 to 8 hours. It's very easy to take too much of an edible because it takes so long to take the effect. So it's very important to start very low and to make sure to not repeat your dose for about 6 to 8 hours. How edibles work is they'll go through your body, through your digestive system, and then once they go through your liver, they'll metabolize to a much stronger psychoactive metabolite called 11-hydroxy-THC. So it's really easy to take too much of an edible, so do be very, very careful. Remember to always start low and increase very slowly. I do recommend for beginners, they start from between 1 and 5 milligrams. A regular cannabis user would probably be between 5 and 10 milligrams. And when you're starting an edible for the first time, it's really important to, by the smallest dose, take a pair of scissors, cut it into quarters, and just take a very small amount. And probably don't repeat until the next day, just until you can find the correct dosage for you. Good luck!